Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Fortress Fx-7 anchor is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment for anyone serious about securing their vessel, offering unparalleled holding power and reliability in a variety of underwater conditions, making it a crucial investment for peace of mind on the water. Number 5. Better Boat Anchor Kit. Tired of anchors dragging and putting your boat at risk? This heavy-duty anchor is designed to dig in and hold your vessel securely, even in challenging conditions like wind, wake, and current. This complete kit includes everything you need to get started right away. You'll receive the anchor, chain, rope, and shackles, all ready to be assembled and deployed. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this anchor and chain are hot-dip galvanized for superior rust resistance. This robust construction ensures it will withstand harsh saltwater and freshwater environments for years to come. Worried about losing your anchor to snags? This anchor features a pre-drilled recovery hole, allowing you to easily attach a retrieval line and free it from rocks or roots. This anchor is ideal for boats ranging from 15 to 24 feet. It's also available in different sizes to ensure a perfect fit for smaller or larger vessels. What we like. This anchor kit comes with everything you need to get started, including rope and chain. It's hot-dip galvanized for superior rust resistance, ensuring longevity in both salt and fresh water. If you're looking for a hassle-free, durable anchoring solution for your 15 to 24-foot boat, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Fortress Fx-7 anchor is a game-changer for anyone needing a reliable anchor point. Its unique design allows for easy deployment and retrieval, even in challenging conditions. I was impressed by the strength and durability of the Fortress Fx-7 anchor. It held firm under significant load, providing peace of mind during my recent boating trip. The compact size and lightweight construction of the Fortress Fx-7 anchor make it incredibly portable and easy to store. It's the perfect anchor for smaller boats or as a secondary anchor. Number 4. WAVESRX TriAnchor Stainless Steel Folding Anchor. Have you tried countless anchors that are too bulky, hard to set, or just don't hold your boat securely? We understand the frustration. That's why we developed the ultimate solution for simple and effective anchoring. Experience instant setting and automatic resetting with our unique design. It offers superior holding power compared to traditional anchors, all at a fraction of the weight. You can trust it to keep your watercraft secure in various conditions. This anchor is extremely effective in sand, mud, clay, coral, and rocky bottoms. You can rest assured that your boat will stay securely in place, no matter the conditions. Our anchor folds flat for easy storage and a minimal footprint. It comes with a heavy-duty case that fits conveniently in small storage compartments or under seats. Engineered for long-term performance in harsh marine environments, this anchor is built for real-world usability, quality, and innovation. It's backed by a 3-year replacement warranty for your confidence. Pair it with our elastic bungee line to absorb sudden jerks and prevent your anchor from dislocating. This ensures your watercraft stays securely anchored, even in deeper waters. What we like. This anchor offers superior holding power with a unique design that sets instantly and resets automatically. Its compact, folding nature makes it incredibly easy to store, even in small boats. If you prioritize effortless anchoring and space-saving convenience for your PWC or small boat, this is the anchor for you. What people say. The Fortress Fx-7 anchor is a great anchor for small boats. It sets quickly and holds well in most bottom conditions. The anchor is easy to handle and store. Number 3. SandShark Premium Fluke Anchor. Experience unmatched security with our innovative Fluke anchor. Its serrated edges dig deep into the seabed, ensuring your vessel stays put in any water condition. Crafted from high-strength, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, this anchor offers exceptional strength and shock resistance. You can rest easy knowing your watercraft is securely anchored. Ideal for vessels ranging from 16 to 30 feet, it provides superior holding power in a lightweight and compact design. It performs exceptionally well in both saltwater and freshwater. Storage is a breeze thanks to its retractable shaft and locking fins. Deployment is just as simple, remove the pin, and you're ready to go. Whether you're dealing with soft mud or fine sand, this anchor is designed to set quickly and hold firmly. It's your reliable partner for all your boating adventures. Choose the best for your PWC, jet ski, or boat. Trust SandShark, a pioneer in marine accessories, for professional-grade anchoring solutions. What we like. Featuring a retractable shaft and folding fins, this anchor is designed for ultimate ease of storage and deployment. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet provides superior holding power, especially in soft bottoms. If you own a boat or PWC under 30 feet and value convenience and strong performance, consider this anchor. What people say. The Fortress Fx-7 anchor is a robust and reliable anchor, perfect for various marine applications. Its unique design ensures a strong grip even in challenging seabed conditions, providing excellent holding power. The anchor's construction is durable, made from high-quality materials that resist corrosion and wear, ensuring longevity. Number 2. Gradient Fitness Kayak Anchor Kit. Introducing our 3.5 pounds for Fluke Folding Anchor Kit. It's compact, convenient, and comes with a padded drawstring bag, perfect for your outdoor adventures. This anchor folds down to a neat 12-inch by 3-inch size. It slips easily into its padded storage bag, preventing scratches on your valuable watercraft accessories. Built for the marine environment, this anchor is rust-resistant. It includes 25 feet of marine-grade rope, a flotation buoy, and a stainless steel snap hook for easy attachment. Whether you're using it for paddleboarding, jet skiing, or fishing from a kayak, this anchor is designed for the outdoors. Its storage-friendly design makes it ideal for any environment. Setting and retrieving this anchor is a breeze. Its user-friendly design and foldable grapnel arms simplify the entire process, saving you time and effort on the water. What we like. This 3.5 pounds folding anchor is incredibly compact and comes with a padded storage bag, making it perfect for on-the-go adventurers. It's rust-resistant and includes marine-grade rope and a snap hook for easy setup. If you need a lightweight, portable anchor for your kayak, paddleboard, or small boat, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Fortress Fx-7 anchor is a robust and reliable anchor that provides excellent holding power in various ground conditions. Its unique design allows for easy installation and retrieval, making it a practical choice for boaters of all experience levels. The anchor's construction is durable, ensuring it can withstand harsh marine environments and repeated use without compromising its integrity. Number 1. Fortress Fx-7 4 pounds Anchor. Introducing the Fortress Fx-7 4 pounds Anchor, a revolutionary anchor designed for superior performance. It's engineered for durability and ease of use. Crafted from a hardened, high-tech, rust-proof aluminum-magnesium alloy, this anchor is built to withstand the harshest marine environments. You can trust its resilience. Designed with convenience in mind, it can be easily disassembled for compact storage. This makes it perfect for any vessel, regardless of size. Experience increased holding power, especially in soft bottoms. It provides exceptional security, giving you peace of mind on the water. We are pleased to offer shipping exclusively within the United States. Get this exceptional anchor delivered right to your door. What we like. Constructed from a hardened, rust-proof aluminum-magnesium alloy, this anchor offers increased holding power, especially in soft bottoms. It also easily disassembles for convenient storage. If you're seeking a lightweight yet powerful anchor that won't corrode and is easy to stow away, this is a great choice. What people say. The Fortress Fx-7 anchor is a game-changer for securing my boat. Its unique design ensures it digs into the seabed effectively, providing superior holding power. I was impressed by how easily it deployed and retrieved, even in strong currents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.